Hurricane Beryl severely impacted several Caribbean nations, including Grenada, Jamaica, St. Vincent, and the Grenadines. Grenada's Caracou Island was particularly devastated, with most buildings damaged. Jamaica's southern parishes were also heavily affected, though major tourist areas remained largely untouched. Barbados and the Cayman Islands experienced minor damage. Recovery efforts are underway, supported by the United Nations and various aid organizations. Despite the damage, many tourist areas are working to resume normal operations. Travelers should check the latest updates as the Caribbean rebuilds and restores its tourism infrastructure. The resilience of these communities is crucial for a swift recovery.